Olympiad exams including GK, Mathematics, Science, English. We are now eagerly waiting for the result. IIT and Olympiad Foundation exams are conducted every alternative month, providing students with continuous exposure to competitive assessments. Along with these exams, we also ensure regular teaching and systematic preparation in the classroom. The tests are conducted using OMR sheets, helping students to become familiar with the standardized exam formats. Our students represented the school in numerous inter-school cultural, literary, sports events, securing awards and bringing pride to our institution. Our school's four houses, Spurti, Kirti, Shanti and Shakti, play a vital role in shaping our co-curricular experiences of our students. Various competitions, including art, craft, dance, storytelling, elocution, essay writing, were organized throughout the year, nurturing talent and creativity. Community service. Students were taken to Taranga Damendev School, RAK Old Age Home, where they interacted with the residents and understood their daily challenges. As a part of this outreach activity, students distributed stationery, fruits, essentials, daily use items to support their needs. Field trips. Preschool children visited the hospital, park and vegetable market to gain real-life exposure and connect their learning with everyday environments. Primary and higher primary grade students visited Shimul Dairy and Agricultural University in Shumogga, giving them hands-on learning experience. Our school proudly hosted the Shumogga District CBSE School Physical Education Teachers Training in association with SSSC. Nearly 40 plus PE teachers from various CBSE schools participated in this program. The training aimed to enhance professional skills among the teachers. Sports events, preschool sports meet. Our young learners participated in adorable yet competitive events, developing motor skills, coordination and team spirit. Grade school sports meet. Students enthusiastically participated in the sports activity like team games, relay, races. The spirit of discipline, teamwork and perseverance was evident throughout the event. Parents Play Day, a unique and heartwarming Sportopia Parents Play Day was organized where parents participated in fun games alongside their children, strengthening family bonding and creating joyful memories. Grandparents' Day was celebrated with great warmth and enthusiasm. Various competitions such as folk songs, rangoli, fun games were organized to honor their presence and cherish their cherished memories. The event aimed to help children create beautiful moments with their grandparents. It was a joyful celebration that strengthened the bond between the generations. The academic year 25-26 has been a year of significant achievement and holistic growth. Every creativity, competition, celebration, academic milestone has contributed to shaping our students into confident, responsible individuals. Together, we look forward to yet another year of learning, growth and excellence. This academic year has been remarkable. We have seen achievements in academic, sports, arts, in various competitions. None of this would have been possible without the continuous support of our management, the commitment of our teachers and trust of our parents. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to each one of you. Our annual day theme, Samarpana, is an expression of gratitude to nature, our motherland, and the countless individuals who have rendered selfless service for the welfare of mankind. Through this theme, our students are sensitized to understand these invaluable contributions to the world at large and are inspired to inculcate values of gratitude, respect, and responsibility. A school like this is possible only under the guidance of true visionary leader like Mr. Nellapati Venkateshwar Rao sir. His dedication, tireless hard work and long-term vision have made it possible to establish Delhi World School in Shivamogga. On behalf of the entire parents and teachers community, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to him for his unwavering commitment to quality education and for shaping a strong foundation for our children's future. We extend our sincere gratitude to all the invited guests, esteemed guests of honor, the dignitaries for gracing this occasion with your valuable time and presence. Thank you for being a part of this memorable event. To our dear parents, thank you for believing in us and for partnering with us in the growth of your children. To our teachers, thank you for shaping young minds with love and patience. And to my dear students, you are the heart of this institution. Keep dreaming, keep learning, and keep striving for excellence. Have a fantabulous evening. Thank you.